Are you a little more concerned about your liver's health? It can be due to genetical reasons or recent health issues. If yes, then you are in the right place. Hello people, welcome back to your own Vitality Plus, where we talk everything about health. In today's video, we are going to talk about certain foods, quitting which you can maintain better health of your liver. Yes, you heard it right. So stay with us till the end of the video to find out which food might be causing most of the harm. Thank us later. Let's begin with the video. Number 1, sugar overload. No doubt sugar is tasty but can cause some trouble for our liver. Too much sugar is not good for our health, especially for our liver. When we eat too many sugary things, our liver changes it into fat, and that can lead to something called non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Watch out for sugary drinks, candies, and even snacks that might seem harmless. Try using natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup in small amounts. Also, be careful with processed foods. They can hide sugars that might not be good for your liver. So when it comes to sugar, a little sweetness is okay, but too much can be tough on your liver. Keep it balanced and your liver will thank you for it. Number 2, greasy grub. Time to talk about heavy-hitting foods. The greasy and fried ones that we all love. French fries, fried chicken, and other greasy delights might be super tasty, but they can be tough on your liver. You see, these foods have a lot of unhealthy fats that can cause inflammation and, over time, even harm your liver. But don't worry, there's a way to enjoy your favorite foods without giving your liver a hard time. Try picking healthier ways to cook your meals, like baking, grilling, or steaming. These methods use less oil and keep the unhealthy fats in check. Your liver is vital to working behind the scenes, and by choosing these healthier cooking methods, you're giving it a break. Number 3, salty salt. Salt is like another bad guy in the story of liver health. Too much salt can cause high blood pressure and make your body hold on to extra water, and that's not good for your liver. The tricky part is that many processed foods, canned soups, and snacks have sneaky amounts of salt in them. But don't worry, there's a way to keep your liver happy. Instead of reaching for those salty packaged foods, go for fresh, whole foods. They have less hidden salt. And here's a cool tip: use herbs and spices to add flavor to your meals. They make your food tasty without putting stress on your liver. Number 4, alcohol. While having an occasional glass of wine or beer might not be harmful, too much alcohol can seriously impact your liver. It can cause inflammation, lead to a fatty liver, and even result in cirrhosis over time. If you decide to enjoy a drink, it's important to do so in moderation and be aware of your liver's limits. Being mindful of how much you drink is like giving your liver a helping hand. Think of it as a way to maintain a good balance for your overall health. If you ever have worries about how alcohol might be affecting your health, it's a good idea to talk to a healthcare professional. They can provide guidance and support to ensure you're making choices that keep both you and your liver in good shape. Number 5, artificial additives. Many processed foods have these sneaky additives like artificial colors, flavors, and preservatives. Your liver has the tough job of dealing with them, and over time they can cause inflammation and damage. But here is the good news: you can be a smart consumer. Choose whole, unprocessed foods whenever you can. These foods are like the real heroes for your liver, as they don't have those harmful additives. Take a moment to read the labels when you're grocery shopping. This helps you avoid unnecessary additives that could be trouble for your liver in the long run. Number 6, refined carbohydrates. These foods can be a bit tricky for your health. They have a high glycemic index, which means they make your blood sugar levels shoot up quickly. Over time, this can lead to something called insulin resistance and even contribute to fatty liver disease. But not to worry, there's a simple switch you can make to help out your liver. Instead of reaching for those refined carbs, go for whole grains like brown rice and quinoa. These grains have nutrients that your liver really likes, without the not-so-great effects of refined carbs. Number 7, take a break from red meat. Red meat, like beef and pork, has high levels of saturated fats and cholesterol that can add stress to your liver and even lead to liver disease. But here's a simple tweak you can make for a healthier liver. Consider adding leaner protein sources to your diet. Think about fish, poultry, or plant-based alternatives like beans and tofu. These options are lighter on the liver and still provide the protein your body needs. Here we come to the end of this video. Which of the food options do you think you need to control a little more? Share with us in the comment section below. If you enjoyed watching the video, don't forget to like and share the video. Subscribe to our channel for more such content. See you soon in another video.